Hello, hello, hello. Today is Sunday, June 5, 2022. This is problem number 146. It has been in the past on JEE Advanced exams. However, as difficult as it is, if you have ever watched my lecture 33 of 801, or you could still consider watching it very shortly, then you stand a prayer to solve this problem. If you only have high school background of physics, don't even think of solving this problem. All right, so let's look at it. Show that if the temperature T in the atmosphere were independent of altitude, that the pressure P as a function of altitude h would then be this form. P equals P0 times e to the power minus mgh divided by kt, where m is the average mass of an air molecule and P0 is the pressure at sea level. Well, yeah, I would repeat once more that if you haven't watched my lecture 33, you don't even stand a chance, so don't waste your time. But you should know that this lecture was on JEE Advanced exams. I wish you all the best. It may give you sleepless nights. Very healthy to have sleepless nights about physics problems.